Hello and welcome to my first YouTube contribution. My name's Harry. I live in Manchester in the UK. The first story that I'm putting on YouTube is about my Incra router lift and the faulty mechanism. As you can see, as I turn the handle now, that's as far as it goes. It should go further and lock while I conduct routing operations. Unfortunately, it doesn't go any further than that. I tell you what, let's take a look underneath my router table and see if we can throw some more light on the issue. As you can see, as we look underneath the router table, as I'm turning the handle, the plate is moving along, and it's like a spanner that grips where that threaded rod is, and it seems to, it looks to me as though it should lock there. It slides along, but it just doesn't go further enough. I think that's the problem, but